What I have right here is the Roborock vacuum / mopping solution for your house. This thing is the coolest little robot. And I say a little because yes, it is a smaller unit, especially the charging and kind of like basin unit. I think is super cool looking and really compact, which is really nice. But it is packed with features and power. This thing is able to have 10,000 PA of vacuum and suction power, which is incredible. You've got these non-tangle, so tangle-free kind of, that rubber is the key here to make sure that hair, pet hair, human hair doesn't get and tangle that, that kind of little roller here. And the cool thing with this is even if you need to clean it out, you can literally just take the roller. There's little 2 pins right here. You take them out and it's super easy. Now, since we have it and we're looking at the undercarriage here, look at that suspension on the wheels. What this means is it is able to tackle most terrains in a house, meaning it'll be able to go on top of, you know, a smaller carpet or go from zone to zone. Maybe it's going from your kitchen tiles to a carpeted area in the living room, and it will be able to jump on those kind of different areas, which I think is really cool. The other thing that's cool is this little, I call it kind of like that little side brush, and that side brush will spin super fast and basically grab onto the corners. So it's almost seamless. Even if you're going onto the side of a wall into the corners, it will grab that dust, those particles, and send it into that 10,000 PA vacuum system that's right here. I think that's pretty cool. Now, the other cool thing too, oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you, this roller means that it is able to literally roll on itself like this and really be super nimble on any type of surface. Now, we've talked about the vacuum system, but it also has a mop feature, which I think is really cool. I'm gonna turn it around again, and the mop is so simple to install because look at this. You literally just go like this, and make sure that you're inside those. I'm gonna make sure I'm in, and there you go. Now it's in. It is able to mop your floors, but not just mop as in dry mop, but you can actually do wet mop. And let me show you this right here. Check this out. I take this out right here, and you do have the basin right there. If you need to clean it out yourself, if you need to replace the filter, because yes, there is a filter in here, you can do that yourself. Obviously, I'm going to talk to you about this basin, what it actually does in just a few seconds. But the cool thing is this section right here. Right here, I can put my solution, my water, and it's going to be used from here. It's actually going to disperse and mop my my floors with this, which is really cool. And it does have a sensor to kind of like mop yes and no. If it has the mop on it, it's not going to start mopping your carpets, for example, which is, you know, obviously a good thing. And the entire brains is right here. This is my favorite part. This is the big update. This is a LiDAR sensor. So basically, like a radar, it will, in complete darkness if it needs to, literally read your room in a matter of seconds and literally map it out and be able to know where it's going, not to bump into things, and recognize where it's going, which I think is fantastic. This thing is super smart. And the other thing that I love is the fact that it is combined with this base station. This base station will charge it. So of course this lies or remains next to a wall, next to an outlet. You plug this in, and then whenever the Roborock needs to get charged, it will literally go and make sure that these two kind of like terminal sensors are actually going to be touching this part right here. And as soon as it touches this part right here, it starts to charge. But the other cool thing is as soon as it touches this, it means that this little mouth here is in perfect orientation for this right here. And that means that as soon as it actually docks, just like the space station back in the day would actually dock into those little modules, it will empty the compartment inside the vacuum and have it right here. I can show you right there. You've got that nice little bag that you have to change, and you can actually change here. Cool thing is, I mean, obviously if your house is an absolute mess and there's pet hair and pet hair and pet hair galore, you're gonna have to be changing this a little bit more often. In our case, it's about 7 to 8, even sometimes 9 weeks of freedom, meaning it will charge, it will dispense, it will empty itself, and we'll only have to empty this maybe once every 2 months, which is fantastic. A super peace of mind. And this thing is uber quiet, by the way, which I think is fantastic. It's a small unit, but it packs a punch. It's very, and it doesn't kind of intrude. We've had units really bigger units, especially into kind of like the docking station units that are huge and they really take a lot of space. This, if you're in an apartment, if you're in a smaller space, definitely the right way to go. Could not recommend more Roborock. I mean, they've stood, they're standing the test of time for sure, and they are definitely making some incredible products right now.